Welcome back to my channel. We are live. It is late hour. I believe most of you may be sleeping, or some may be on ready to go to bed. So depending on where you are, I just want to know if we can have some time before you go to bed. Some people who lives in Asia, this could be your morning. Um, there's this update from PM, you know, about Ebuka and the Father Mbaka's issue. He just made this post. I think this post was 49 minutes ago. So he said Mbaka's truth is always like a bomb. Mbaka is more than a senior prophet, the man who saw that late Buhari will lay the foundation of our freedom and supported him. The same late Buhari's foundation brought in the drug baron who is known by action and inaction, facilitating the breakup of Nigeria for the benefit of everyone. Every reasonable person must support whatever that brings more problems to the evil Islamic State of Nigeria. That I'm reading the post he made. Father Mbaka is now dealing with the people he is called RNG pastors. He made this post just a while ago, and we all know I made a video about this issue earlier today, and people who have vowed not to use their own initiative to think or to even conclude on anything to make a decision, they really don't find it funny when you mention about Ebuka or any of the man of God and others. The reason why I am responding or reacting to this post that PM made, because of some comments on that post, because most of us feel so bad when your pastor or your man of God is being mentioned. But the truth of the matter is that sometimes you need to give a chance to see the other side of the story. The other side of the story. Everything must not go through your what you want and the way you want it. Sometimes you give a chance to see and know what is happening. Many people who believe in PM and what he's doing, once he mentioned about Ebuka, they turn against him, as if they are living with Ebuka or something like that. You must not believe anything, everything, but sometimes you give benefit of doubt. I'm not here to, like I said in my earlier video, that this is not about talking about somebody without any evidence. I can't just tell you that Ebuka is fake or not. I don't know him. So, but the comment that people drop on this post may interest you to know. This one says, Saga said, "What happened to your countdown to Biafran declaration? You don't shovel that one. Pick another fraudulent cause again. Another fraudulent cause again." That was what you're trying to say. This person is not speaking for Biafrans. He's not even interested on the purpose of the countdown or anything, but he took the opportunity of this post to start questioning PM about the countdown. Somebody started, counting down, telling you that this is what he wants, that he's going to break Nigeria through this countdown. You don't understand the reason why he started the countdown. You don't know why he chose to go by that countdown. You are not the one who initiated it, but you want to question it as if you already have the result of the countdown with you, so that whatever that comes out, you can just cross-check and see if it's the same thing with what you have. You don't have anything about the countdown. Questioning the countdown to me is like you questioning something that you did not even know how it started. The person who initiated the countdown have come out and said the purpose of countdown had been achieved. And if you check back, most of the things like Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran Government in Exile, all the liaison office that you have been opened, the progress so far, the communication that you have with other international community. Some people don't know what is going on behind the scene. And the countdown is none of your business. You don't know why he made that countdown. So you see people every now and then. The people that started the ignition first time was DOS. They were questioning him. Oh, you said you are going to get Biafra in 50 days. Where is the countdown and all that? Getting Biafra is a process, and the process where Biafra government or Samanekban is where he was before the countdown. As yourself is the same place where it is now. They are not the same. So let's see another comment as well. This one, Omerenini Dike said, Wahala full everywhere. Mbaka they find him pocket. You see this one now? Now, I will not say much about this one because everyone have their own opinion and the people's opinion must be respected. Abala, Alabala, gradually everything is coming together. From what I saw, he has to always shake up the Catholic Church. I am waiting to hear him take the gospel of our referendum to every nook and cranny of the Catholic Church, and the rest will be history. Okay? And don't expect those pastors or man of God or reverend fathers to, be all that vocal about anything this referendum in Nigeria, because most of them are somehow they are afraid of their life as well. Because even the state government, the state governor who happen to be Biafrans, will not even accept such thing in Biafran land because they are the one in power in the land, and they will do the bidding for the Fulanis, of course, you know that, so that they will get more. Maybe I don't know what they normally get from them. Is it that the allocation of their state somehow will be delayed if they do not do the bidding of the government or something like that? Because most of them, once you elect them in the power, they will use that power to come after their people. So don't expect the governors to, the priests or the bishops to be all that vocal, because some of them are afraid. I'm not saying they should not, preach and broadcast and announce the referendum, no. But individual people should do more. Like you, who is making the comment, you need to also talk to your people. You see DOS people contradicting themselves because of this referendum. I come across a video of Methuselah, going around the market. There's a way when you. That is why if you have your brain intact, you don't know what God have done for you, because people will play game on your intelligence and you still be clapping for them without knowing. Somebody took a camera and went to move around in Biafran land saying that, oh, so the sit at home is not working. They told you that sit at home, everybody is sitting at home. That where they can sit at home. He copied PM pictures of sit at home of the 5th of this February, just last Monday, okay? This past Monday. The post PM made, where he, the picture that he shared about how the Biafran land looks the day of the sit at home, he copied it and said that that you can see that there's no sit at home. Just understand this. Broadcasting, this is not live stream. He made a video and came back home, put it on the dating platform, took the picture of PM, attach it on that video, and he was telling you they publish it. If you go to Emeka gift page, you see it, because all of them are there's one thing they have in common. Blackmail is one of that. That is the key. That is the key of their freedom, is just to blackmail, and blackmail is what they feed on. So he copied that picture and attached it with the video that he made and said that they told you that sit at home is working in Biafran land. Look at it. There's no sit at home. You can see people. Market is moving, but he couldn't interview anybody in that market. Even if you turn your camera and said, please tell them that today is Monday. While you are sitting, just tell them that so that it will appear in the video. Because they are not smart enough to use that kind of a corny way to manipulate people. So what he did was to shoot the video and came back and attached the picture of PM with the picture of people in the market. Everywhere is busy. So he want to convince people that there's no sit at home. That what they did was just to that is only on social media. Now, after putting this video, you compare it with the previous video that he made, where he was telling people that Nana Babush in the buy, Agwan in the buy, and then maybe business in the buy, that people couldn't do anything. People are hungry. You stop people from going to market. Then after that, a few days later, you are now making a video proving that there's nothing like sit at home. Even when they are for sit at home, there's nothing like sit at home. Then you ask yourself, why are you then agitating about sit at home, since you know that people are not sitting at home? It's a common sense. Why are you not angry about sit at home, since you yourself know there's nothing like sit at home? Maybe I will play that video, that video here. You people will hear that. Chibike, good morning, my brother. Good morning to you. Happy Ume, you are welcome. I think I need to start giving you people accolade in this platform, because most of you are really following up. Okay, Chibike, I will add you as one of the administrator, meaning can manage block and word and change chat. Okay, Chibike, I am expecting you to be performing in this live stream as well. Because you have been a very, very constant follower of our broadcast. Ume, you are another person as well. This is just to appreciate you people for your time and your contribution. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much. So let's continue and see if you can another comment from these people. Then this one says Simon Ekpa. Okay, this one must be because he's using PM picture, so I don't. Do I have to read it? Okay, let me see the comment. Reverend Father Mbaka is a true prophet of the true Most High God. That is why I never tried criticizing him for once. He is a man that sees tomorrow. When he says that God, Holy Spirit says, believe him. That is true. Father Mbaka Bo Odogu, I love him so much. This is what another person commented. The comment that he put there is this: for you to understand and decode this mystery, God is with you. PM said. So because if you read the comment, like that comment I put, PM put out there. If you truly follow it very well, you understand that the way he saw something from what people are criticizing Mbaka for. Because people, if you like, if you watch the video that I made, like my live stream earlier today, I made mention about somebody called this is a God Agenda TV, something like that, that took his time to criticize Father Mbaka indirectly in the name that he making peace and making addressing him, but he was busy talking something against the priest. So what that means is that he don't even understand from the angle that PM understood it. What PM said, let me read the post of PM again so that you understand, because this comment that our brother put here is actually fact. Mbaka's truth is always like a bomb. That Mbaka's words and talk, the way you can put it the way you want, but what he's trying to say, that statement that Mbaka often made is like a bomb. Okay, Mbaka is more than a senior prophet. He's more than a senior prophet. The man who saw that late Buhari will lay the foundation of our freedom and supported him. The same late Buhari's foundation brought in the drug baron, who is now by action and inaction facilitating the breakup of Nigeria for the benefit of everyone. Every reasonable person must support whatever that bring more problems to the evil Islamic State of Nigeria. Father Mbaka is now dealing with the people he called RNG pastors. In no distant time, this comment of Mbaka will be more understandable, whether it is true or not. But if you compare what Mbaka has said in the past that come to fulfillment, and what he said that did not come to fulfillment, may be that you don't understand where at the angle of that comment that he made comes from. Like what PM said here, personally, I have not reasoned in this way, in this direction that PM decided to go now. That is why somebody put this comment here to PM and said, for you, Obu, Bernard Obu said, for you to understand and decode this mystery, God is with you, PM. So that is what it means. Diana, thank you for your comment. Good morning. Thanks for keeping the fire of Biafran freedom burning. I really appreciate your comment. Thank you so much. Then Biafran and Beyond commented. He said, it is great to hear this from the PM. Thoughtful as useful. Always recognize this your explanation. Even Hopo as facilitator of the zoo's disintegration, which is true. If you check, all those people they are hell-bent in doing things that will facilitate the breakup of Nigeria. Imagine the government will be, angry with people who call for freedom. They are not happy with the PM. They are not happy with the Master Modekano. They are ready to do anything to go after people who call for breakup of Nigeria. But the action of the government itself is actually the main pillar or the main issue that is breaking up the country. You see what they're doing, the security agencies, that is what is breaking up the Nigeria faster than you can think. Do you think that people who lost their businesses and shop in Lagos today, those Biafrans, do you think if before they destroy their shops and their businesses, if you call them for anything, if you tell brother, we need to definitely need to break up, leave Nigeria, they will call you, they will think that you are very, very stupid. You understand? They will think that you are very, very useless. So imagine David Sage. How much can you buy home? Are you buying human being? Are you buying human being, or you are just bitter? I don't know what is your problem actually. This platform is not for lunatics. Okay, it's not for lunatics. So if you check what they have done and what they're doing to these people, that thing could have changed. Maybe it have changed their mindset. It have changed their mindset. If you are telling them now about, look, Biafran are not welcome in Nigeria, they will give you a listening ear now, because that event that took place in Lagos have affected them so badly that they are no more seeing the country the way they used to see it. Between you who destroyed their businesses and their shop, and people who are preaching and saying Nigeria should break up, which of you have facilitated the breakup in the minds or in the life of those people? It is you who use your governmental power to go after their livelihoods. So that is what PM is saying here, that most of them that Mbaka have commented in the past about them, okay, that some of them, in fact, if not all, are the people who are playing a very good role to break up the country. But if you ask them, they will tell you that no, Nigerian breakup is not negotiable. Nigerian unity is not negotiable. That they want everything to work, they want everything to be the way it is. But their action is saying something contrary, that you yourself may not even know the job that their action is creating in the minds of people. Imagine people who live in Biafra land who are not happy with the kidnap of Master Modekano. By so doing, you have given them a green light to start thinking the other way, that look, this country cannot work. What they did to Peter after the election have also facilitated the issue in the minds of Biafrans. Those who don't really want to think about the condition of Igbos in the country, they have started thinking, okay, Look at what they did to Peter. It is very clear and very obvious. Is it because he's Igbo man? Therefore, I think we cannot continue this way. You are facilitating it. And that is what PM is saying here. And it is very, very nice that this our brother Bernard was able to decode it. And Biafran and beyond also, re-code it as well. This Chukwu Jeku Biafra said of Fancha, the oldest virgin boy who does not know Mr. Ibus has lost his little glory. This is another person as well. God work in a mysterious way. Biafra is good project. Yes, my brother. Yes, you're on track. So some people are questioning Mbaka for what he's done in the past between him and P2B, his prophecy between Hakim, his prophecy about is it prophecy or actually about the Hakim? Then they want about what happened between him and Chimaroke. But the same people turn blind eyes. They refuse to see. They turn blind eyes on activities of Ebuka and all that. We have seen many things to question Ebuka also. If you can question anybody, why don't you also try your best to question most of them who are not who are doing that thing that you're questioning Mbaka? Most of them, not only Ebuka, but in this case we are talking about Ebuka because that is what is trending, and his members are helping the news. It moving from, because a lot of them have jumped back to use Mbaka to cash out. That is not how it works. Like what I'm saying here, I am not saying we should go after Ebuka, but we have to call a spade a spade. Okay, wisdom personify my PM. That is why I supported regretting voting for late Buhari. Okay, this one voted for late Buhari. This one, let me look at another comment, then I will slow it down. I thought I am the only one that saw Nigeria breaking up this 2024. Might even have sooner than we expected. Okay, so people are now seeing the effect and believing on what is happening. Biafrans, Mbaka must be protected. No clergyman, bravery and fearful like him in Biafra land, which I said in my previous video. Ebuka is he's a man of God. But you can the action, the role of Mbaka in the society cannot be questioned or measured by any other person. Nobody. Mention one man of God, pastor, priest, reverend, whatever you may call the person, prophet, that have ever come out and call government out and say, look, you are a murderer, you are a killer, you are this. Nobody have done that. Nobody. Everybody cannot even insult Hopus or PA. His PA, don't have the courage to even not insult, because when you say insult, it's like you are talking something that is not, faction. I'm talking about something that is actual fact, the real thing that is happening. Ebuka cannot come out and say, okay, I am calling you out what you are doing in Imo State. Even he's in Lagos. But Mbaka will stay in Enugu State and call out government of Enugu State and nothing happen. Even if not that something is not happening, they will come after him and they can't get him. So Odowa brought by organizing media warriors. No. So I just want to react to the post of PM in this aspect, because maybe I will not bring this issue up again, because people are out there. A lot of people are reacting and responding to this issue, which is not supposed to be, because both of them are from Igbos. But when you choose to respond negatively, like Ebuka did, calling him that Baka is jealous of him and all that, to me, I don't think that should be the way. That should be the way to go. But he chose that way. Let it be. Let me see if I can get that video of Methuselah. Let me see if I can get it now, or should I play it later tomorrow? Let me see if it is. Most of them calling, shouting before, insulting Master Mordecano. We have people like that in the past. You remember Joe Ibokwe, the one who always celebrate any bad thing that happened to Biafrans. That Lagos is Ashwaju is the best thing that will ever happen to him. Today, Ashwaju don't even remember that name. He don't even, not even Lagos state government knows Joe Ibokwe anymore. But he was ready to do anything to insult his brothers, his people, his kinsmen because of Ashwaju. That Ashwaju will be president. That P2B is nothing and all this, which I don't care about P2B. But after singing praise of those people, what next? What next? Where is him today? Can anybody mention anything about Joe Ibokwe? Joe Ibokwe is nowhere to be found. I'm trying to look up for that video of Methuselah where he was working. You know, these people, they are very, very cunning. Very, very, very cunning. Okay, let me go to Emeka Gift page of Emeka Gift Official. Diana, thank you so much. Dafran, please pick up your phone and vote for your future generation, yet unborn. This is a fight for survival of Biafran people. Biafran life matter. Yes, of course. yes, you are right. Can you please say, why am I getting these people that always, these Indian people, why am I getting their comment often this time? I think, let me see. Let me see. Okay, I am now in the page of Methuselah, Ebuka Gift, searching for the videos of Methuselah. Let me see if I can get up the video, and unless maybe they have taken it down. Or they have take it down. Let me see if it's still there, or they have removed. I did only 5 hours ago. This guy can post video. Yeah, I can post video, honestly. Okay, I think I have it. I think I have it. Let me see if it will play out.
Life and directing. More Methuselah one Methuselah I did life. Life and directing Biafra.
He said he did life, but it's not true. This is a edited video. That's what they posted. After recording market people, he went to maybe I don't know the market where he went for, and he was in that market and he made a video and recorded those video and brought it back home and attached it with a PM post of a situation report on Monday sit at home. He then merged it together just to tell you that what PM said was not true. But the issue here is that where I got confused. If you said that this market that on Monday sit at home is fake, that there's nothing like sit at home on Monday, then why are you not complaining about sit at home, telling people that sit at home is destroying people's business and all these things and livelihood? So what's the point? And why don't you validate that that video was done or recorded on Monday sit at home? Because you could went there on Sunday or Tuesday and keep the video, okay? Then once PM posted the video on Monday about the sit at home, you quickly went to your editing platform and put the picture together with the video that you have already made and put it out there to convince people that it is this or is that. So let's listen to him.
Today is Monday, 5th of February, in the year of our Lord, 2024. As a major Okombia. As a major Okombia, Nimaya, Ebana, and sit at home. We are Babushia people. Sometimes I'm a little bit confused. I am not on ground. You got my hammer. I'm a judge in Civico, Indian on all. Uno Gari and I'm on lockdown. And everywhere is bubbling. I'm not saying it because I am happy. Now people are not sitting at home. No. I will get you with freedom. I want to get you about the Amazon number from detention. The reason I have my own is because a lot of people. Everywhere is bubbling. Everywhere. I know what I'm here. Everywhere is bubbling.
I am not able to bring the pictures for you to see, but what he's showing here is the PM post on Monday that don't where everywhere is dry. Then he attached it with the video that is recorded that I have recorded. He pre-recorded those videos. He and then attached it together. So for you to know that he's there live according to him, and what PM posted is fake. That's what he's trying to portray here. But the issue here is that you want us to believe that PM, what he posted is not actual the sit at home report. Then why don't you prove to us that your video that you made was not pre-recorded before the sit at home? You see, they can't do that. Name a football for a date. Happy with me. I gave you spanner so that you'll be able to help me and remove such comment that coming from these people. So you can also help me to remove the comment that is not supposed to pump up here. That is the essence of this giving you a spanner so that you will be managing the comment section for me each time you come live. And I gave a spanner to another person. Both two of you are the only people that have the spanner in this platform for now, which I will still give other people depending on people who followed me constantly. Then I will appreciate you by making you one of the live admin. Thank you. So let's continue with this video.
Monday, 5th of February. I know what I got here. There are noise everywhere. Generator now. So, I will tell you to see for people. Come back on Nima. Let me enter inside the market. I got a lot of my father's land, brother. And I'm outside the maybe inside. I want him here. Even
the reason why he couldn't be in exile and do Biafra, according to Yahweh, that now, he's not fighting for Biafra. So it's only people who fight for Biafra will talk about where they will be. As he have come back to Nigeria at the moment, have he organized any rally? Because if he want to compare his arrival with the arrival of Master Mordecai in 2015. So Was his presence now in Biafra land bring anything for Biafran restoration or Biafran freedom? That's why it's no. He is there just like a regular traveler. You just travel your home and nothing happened. You are not a fighter for Biafra. People fighting for Biafra are the one talking about being in exile. He said, they are not on exile. You have not been fighting. Even if, whether you are abroad or you are where, you have not been fighting. Black man run. These people are really hard to make. Anyway, let me not respond to your comment because you have your right to say what. But don't don't spam the live stream, please. So this guy is in Biafran land, and all he could do is to start telling you so now that he's in Nigeria, that is when he knows that you need to fight from your land. Then you ask him, your leader on the deal, how many of them are in Biafra land, even though they are not fighting for Biafra? So how many of them are back home just like you? Or not, you wouldn't have been there if not that they deported you. According to what I heard, I don't know if it's true. So let's not use it against anybody.
They don't know what they go on.
Okay, I will, because this is the late hour, I will end the video now. Let's continue again in the morning. Okay, tomorrow I will do a broadcast on this video and other issue that comes up as well. We are going to analyze it and talk more about it and see if we can make sense out of it. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you in this late hour. You managed to join me as well. Thank you so much and have a wonderful night. Good night up to you all and good morning to some of us.